Also, obviously, special shout out to all the content creators out there right now, especially those that was inspired by Brian to start a YouTube channel. Me being a content creator, I know what it feels like and what it takes to put yourself out there and put yourself in front of a camera, and let alone put yourself in front of the harsh world known as the internet, because you're opening yourself up to all the internet trolls and all the fudsers out there that have nothing better to do but type away safely behind their keyboards. So give yourself a pat on the back if you did start a channel. Congratulations. And what is going on, my crypto fam? RJ here. And in today's video, we're going to go ahead and do a recap of Brian's AMA this morning, where he's announcing the July giveaway. And this is, of course, alongside the Treasure Pick giveaway, which is like a 3-month long marketing campaign to help engage the community a little bit more, as well as obviously giving you that chance and that opportunity to unlock that wallet. Now, before we get started, obviously I am not a financial advisor, so please do not take this as financial advice. This video and this entire channel is meant for education and pure entertainment purposes only. I'm here to just help raise awareness on projects that obviously I'm invested in. Now, if you guys haven't already, please consider smashing that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right on into the flight deck. All right, you guys, welcome to the flight deck. So let's go ahead and go over the July giveaway here. So Brian is going to be giving away 5 validator nodes on SafooX. There is a clear difference between what a node is as you know it on DeFi, so DeFi as a service or node as a service, versus a validator node. These are pure validator nodes on the SafooX blockchain. Okay, so if you have done any research yourself, or if you haven't seen my video in the past to see how much validator nodes are for Ethereum, they're north of, like, depending on the market, it's like 32 Ethereum to even get started on nodes. Assuming Ethereum is at $1,000, that's $32,000 to even qualify to become a validator node for Ethereum. Now, of course, if Ethereum goes back up to $2,000 or $4,000, now do your math, right? Like, how much is it to actually become a validator node of Ethereum? Well, at $4,000, it's $128,000 to even have a shot at becoming a validator node for Ethereum. So what exactly is a validator node, really quick, without having all my viewers have glossy eyes due to so much technical jargon? A validator node, especially on a proof of stake, so from my understanding, Safuu is going to be a proof of stake consensus. That's where you put up an enormous amount of your tokens. So in this case, we're looking at about $50,000 to $60,000 worth of Safuu tokens into the node to help validate transactions on that blockchain. That's all that's doing, right? You are actually helping facilitate the backend infrastructure and the validation of transactions on that blockchain. And therefore, because you're helping the actual infrastructure and validating transactions on that blockchain, you then get rewarded for helping. And that portion of rewards that you get for helping validate transactions is 100% life-changing, period. Okay, so let's go over the rules here. No one says it better than Brian, so I'm going to have Brian explain it. And I'm going to tweak a couple things that need a little bit more clarification. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this right here.
Nodes, all right? So look, this giveaway is just a fairly simple way of doing exactly what you guys have already shown you're capable of doing in the $27,000 promotion and also in the Tesla promotion. It works in just the same manner, okay? All you need to do is literally buy and hold. And that's all that the protocol is meant to be built for anyway, is buy and hold. Or if you've already bought, you just need to hold. That is the only requirement literally to be eligible to get this. All right. So look, you can read through this article after this live stream. I will publish it publicly so all you guys can read through it and understand it. All right. But it's very simple. All right. Literally hold tickets in the draw. All right. So for every buy that you make, or for every Safuu that you're holding, you're obviously going to be getting tickets in the draw. Just the same way as the $27,000 promotion, just the same way as the Tesla promotion. Okay. So literally unsold and untouched Safuu. So this is a big one, okay? So it literally expands on this, okay? So for new holders, every 10 Safuu bought and held in a wallet, then this is the most important part, that remains untouched unsold or non-transferred during the prize period. Okay, this is the biggest part. Okay, for July, no, you are not allowed to sell. You're not allowed to transfer. You're not allowed to do anything with that Safuu besides holding it for the full month of July. That means from today through to the 30th of July, when that ends, all right. Sorry, yeah, through the 31st of July, should I say, rather, for the whole month end. And then we obviously will do, I'll do another live giveaway, which is on August, announcing the winners and drawing it just like I've done previously. All right. But it is important that you cannot transfer, no, because you would just be ineligible. Now, that's what's happened on our last $27,000 lucky draw giveaway. If you remember, I said that there was over nearly 4,000 odd people registered, but only half of them, literally 45% of them, were eligible because the other half literally sold or they transferred. So that is important to know, all right? When you register or if you buy, yes, you do need to hold for the full month of July. You get the rebases, all right, which is what this is designed for. And then in August the 1st, I'll come out, live stream, and I'll pick out the winners. That's it. And I might do some extra bonuses there as well, like I always do, all right? So, all right, so you now know for an existing a new holder, it's every 10 Safuu you buy, okay? Or existing holders here, if you're existing, so you're not buying, all you've done is you bought it pre-sale or you bought and you're just holding, all right? Then that's fine. For every 25 Safuu you hold in a wallet, all right, same thing, untouched, non-transferred, can't sell, anything like that, it's just held, that equals 1 ticket in the draw as well. So new
Okay, so let me clarify that. For every 10 Safuu you purchase, that equals 1 ticket in the draw. If you are an existing holder, for every 25 you have, that's equal to 1. Okay, so as of right now, let's say you have 100, you're an existing holder with 100 Safuu. That is 4 tickets you are eligible for the contest. And then, of course, if you add into your bag, every 10 Safuu you add into the bag is equivalent to 1 additional ticket for this drawing, okay?
holders, they get 1 ticket for 10, and existing holders, they get 1 ticket for 25, all right? It's just a little bit different because we still need to encourage buying action. We still need to encourage new users to come on board. That's what these promotions are about. So, yeah, 10 prize winners will be drawn, guys. 10, all right? 10 winners will be drawn on this, all right? Now, it is certified randomized selection, as you guys know, all right? I've already used that. You guys know it's purely random, all right? So, number one, there's going to be 5 nodes, guys. 5 nodes given away. That's how many nodes we're going to be giving away. So each node is going to be worth between $45,000 to $50,000. All right, that's the cost of a node. All right. So for 5 nodes, yes, 5 winners. All right, each winner will get a node. That each of those nodes are going to be worth $45,000 to $50,000 each. Free, absolutely free. And all you need to do is be part of this July promotion and hold your tokens, hold your Safuu. That's it. It is so simple, guys. So yes, we'll do another runner-up prize. All right. As you see here, 5 more runner-ups will win $1,000 worth of Safuu each as well. But the main
Okay, so we're gonna stop it right there. That's the most important thing. All right. So let's go over that really quickly here. There's gonna be a total of 10 winners. 5 is gonna be life-changing for people because the node itself is gonna cost anywhere between 45,000 and 50,000 in current market conditions. And so 5 lucky winners will be drawn for those nodes. 5 additional winners will be runner-ups, eligible to win $1,000 in Safuu. So that's also amazing. So even if you win the $1,000 in Safuu, it's not just $1,000 in kaput. You can do that if you want to sell it, but it's $1,000 in Safuu that continues to rebase. That is the most powerful thing about this protocol, is whatever you put in there earns 2.28% every single day. It's the power of compounding. Now, the most important thing that we need to emphasize here is you cannot transfer, you cannot sell these tokens. They have to be untouched in your wallet to be eligible for the nodes. This is one of those where you're being rewarded for your patience and having balls of steel or ovaries of steel, or should we say diamond balls if you are a male and diamond ovaries if you are a female. And if you hold, not only are you going to double your bag in the month of July, but that will get you your chance at winning one of these nodes that can potentially be life-changing for some of you. I think at the end of July, there should be some bottles being popped. If I win, I'm going to pop a bottle of champagne in front of you guys live with my girlfriend. That's what I'm going to do, because that is almost securing a form of passive income that should set anyone straight for I want to say not life, right? Anything can happen in crypto. We've seen this bear market, but it should set the vast majority of people up for a great foreseeable future, if I were to be careful with my words. Okay, so obviously, with that being said, 5 lucky winners by the end of July will be happy mofos. Okay, the winner of the Tesla promotion, I think it was Nathan. He's very happy because he got $90,000 worth of Safuu. That's rebasing a lot. And let me do the math, right? 90,000 in Safuu times 0.0228, which is 2.28%, was at the time printing him $2,052 every single day in the form of passive income if he was selling the rebase tokens. Now that's just the protocol and tokens being minted, and Nathan choosing the better option, which is 90,000 in Safuu, has now been printing him a lot of money. Now the nodes is just an absolutely different beast because you are a validator node for a blockchain, which you will be handsomely rewarded for being the backend infrastructure for supporting those transactions. We keep using Binance as an example because we've seen Binance's numbers. We have that historic data to kind of go off of. And being a validator node for Binance is rewarding those Binance validator nodes roughly about $50,000 to $52,000 a day. I want people to truly sit down. I want people to really let that information settle in your mind and not just let it go from one ear out the other, right? $52,000 a day if you were able to get in as a Binance validator node. Let's do some quick math. $52,000 a day times an average of 30 days for a month is $1,560,000 a month. So when I tell you that 5 lucky winners will, by the end of July, should be popping bottles, that's what we should do. Brian, let's coordinate here. What we should do is we should change the requirement, right? If you are a winner of the Safuu node, by the end of July, you're required to record yourself popping a bottle of champagne because you have just won the golden ticket to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Or in this case, Brian Legend's Safuu X blockchain. I can say 100% that if I happen to win one, yes, I will go live and I'm going to pop that bottle with my girlfriend right next to me as we kind of just celebrate, because that's how big this giveaway is. July is by far the biggest giveaway Brian has ever done. Okay, because of the way it gives back. It's not just the monetary cost, but the future impact of it. I don't think a lot of people have really taken into consideration. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video and you found yourselves definitely more ecstatic and hyped up for this project. Again, full transparency, Safuu has been an absolute monster in my portfolio and has been very, very generous in terms of passive income in my life. All right, I've been very transparent in what projects I've been involved in and all the passive income plays. And Safuu's top 3 in my portfolio in these bear markets that is still printing money and printing passive income for me. Again, I ask people every single time, right? Are you here to make money? Do you want to make money? If the answer to that is yes, then I really highly suggest you take a very serious look into this protocol. No matter what you feel, no matter how you feel, as of right now, no one can deny the amount of money Brian has given away to its holders, and no one can deny 4 months in the amount of money this thing has been printing for its holders since its inception and its ICO. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did and you found yourselves definitely more hyped, do me a favor and smashy that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. Also, obviously, a special shout out to all the content creators out there right now, especially those that was inspired by Brian to start a YouTube channel. Me being a content creator, I know what it feels like and what it takes to put yourself out there and put yourself in front of a camera, and let alone put yourself in front of the harsh world known as the internet, because you're opening yourself up to all the internet trolls and all the fudsers out there that have nothing better to do but type away safely behind their keyboards. So give yourself a pat on the back if you did start a channel. Congratulations. And again, for all the other content creators out there that have been covering Safuu, give yourself a round of applause, because you guys have been fighting the good fight. You clearly see what Safuu does to your portfolio and what it's doing in your wallet, watching it rebase every single time. All right, so with that being said, life is too freaking short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm gonna see everyone on the next crypto video next time.